To begin using text and fonts within LiveSwap, simply click the Insert Text button within the right sidebar. To add text to your design, simply click Add Header, Add Subheader, or Add some text. Let's go ahead and add header. After you click the Add Header, it will immediately display within the center of your design. From here, you can immediately begin typing. Your text will display a bounding box while selected. Use your mouse to grab the left or right sides of the bounding box to extend the width of your text box. Or hold the Option key for Mac or Control key for PC to extend the text box from the center. To rotate your text, click the rotating arrow icon below the text box and drag it left or right. Above your text will display a few options such as left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, bold, italic, underline, all caps, duplicate, and delete. You may notice that the bold and italic icons within the menu are slightly opaque. This happens because particular fonts are not supported with these options. While your text is selected, you will also notice additional options within the right sidebar. Starting from the top, click the color box below the fill title. This will display options to change the color of your text. Select a color by clicking anywhere within the color palette. Use the sliders below to change the color hue, or change the color transparency, or manually type in the color code. You may use the default colors provided below to quickly insert a color, or use existing colors within your design under the document header. Another great feature is using the eyedropper tool. If you would like to match the color of your text to the colors within the surrounding design, simply click the eyedropper icon. Hover over the color you desire and click anywhere to apply the eyedropper color to your text. Next, we have fonts. To apply a new font to your select text, simply click the font name under the typeface header. Starting from the top, you may search our system fonts by typing them into the search bar. Next, we have a convenient and extremely handy feature that allows you to type in a word and see how that particular word will look in various font styles. After you typed in a word, simply scroll down to have a look. Another handy feature when it comes to fonts is the Instant Font slider. Use the slider to see the text selected within your design transform instantly into other font styles. This feature comes in handy when you're trying to make something quick. Next, we have document fonts. This section displays all fonts within your current design. And lastly, we have system fonts. Choose from a wide selection of fonts provided by LiveSwap. To change the size of your font, simply click the drop-down menu to select a size. To the right of that, we have our text size slider. Use this slider to conveniently transform the size of your text instantly. Next, we have a range. Choose to send your text all the way to the front, all the way to the back, or send one step forward or one step backward. Use the transparency slider to make your text opaque. Use the letter spacing slider to add space between the letters. Or use the line height slider to adjust the spacing between two lines of text. And that's working with text and fonts with LiveSwap. Thanks for watching.